What's up, YouTube? So I kind of wanted to shift gears this morning and do a different kind of video because I get a few comments here and there asking what I do for a living or my professional career and things like that. And every time I watch YouTube videos of influencers and YouTubers, I always wonder what they do for a living also. So I'll talk about that briefly. Yeah, the purpose is not to boast or brag or make myself bigger than I am, because I'm nobody. I'm on YouTube because I love the community and the networking and the comments and interacting with the audience, sharing my hobbies with cycling, motorcycling, toys and fitness, and all the things, all the content I've been producing, and it's been a lot of fun. Appreciate all the subscribers and all the support and all the comments. It really means a lot to me, and I have no intention or no goals of making money off of it. I'm already very blessed, but I just love the community, and it's a lot of fun too. But I'll be 47 in next month, actually in June, and I was in the Navy for almost 21 years. I was an X-ray technologist in the Navy, and my job before that is, so when you join the Navy, you're a sailor first and foremost, and then you enlist in a rate. A rate is a special job, so you can be like a machinist mate, work on the flight deck, you can be a cook, you can be a administrative person, all sorts of jobs. So the job I selected was hospital corpsman. It's the largest rate in the Navy, and then from there you can specialize into a specialty field because you're in healthcare. And then I chose X-ray or radiology. So I've been a professional radiographer since July 2001, and I kind of just stayed doing that all my days in the Navy. I knew I wanted to keep doing X-ray and eventually retire and do X-ray on the outside. So yeah, that's what happened. I stayed the course, and now I'm doing radiology as a radiology director for a major hospital system in Southern California. So very, very blessed. I got my doctorate in strategic leadership from Liberty University. It was a 4-year program. I took one class at a time, 17 total classes. Liberty University is the largest Christian university in the nation, so I was very proud to have finished my doctorate from there. 253 pages was my final dissertation when I defended it. I remember putting that thing together for about 3 or 4 months, and then maybe the 18 months prior to that doing all the research. And so that's why I have research experience when I do these videos on my bikes. But yeah, just very blessed, and radiology is a very lucrative field. I'm very blessed, very honored to be a radiology leader for a major hospital system in Southern California, and it pays well, so I'm able to provide for my family, and buy a lot of things, material things. And I shouldn't say it that way, it sounds bad, but I'm able to live more comfortably because I was able to at least do 20 years and retire from the Navy and get a pension, and now I'm in a very lucrative field. I think I just stayed the course. So experience, military experience and leadership, veteran status is very important on the outside. Your high-level degrees gets you into interviews, and then just staying the course and being an expert in your field, and you can land a lot of good jobs. But we can talk about that some other time. I just wanted to kind of do a quick video of what I do for a living, and where I work, and how I'm able to buy a few of the things that you see on my videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. More videos to come, but I thought this was important for me to share. And just a quick tour inside my office. There is my setup. Seahawks jersey. I was given this from one of my dear friends when I graduated and earned my doctorate. 6/9 is my birthday, June 9th. And my terminal degree, I didn't get it so I could be called doctor. I don't care for that. I just wanted to finish school and not have to go to school ever again. And my radiology certifications, we'll call them registries. If you're from the Navy, you get these paddles when you leave a place, symbolic. Peep those Seahawks colors. 8452 is the Navy enlisted classification for an X-ray tech. And this is when I retired from San Diego. This is my little I Love Me shelf, my shadow box. This can was signed. I drink Bang, so when I was a program director for a radiography program, all my students from my last class signed that for me. And my boy Chris made this for me while he was in the Philippines on a deployment. And then Shipwreck, G.I. Joe, and then Doc. I'm a hospital corpsman in the Navy, and yeah, I have a Ducati. And then my challenge coin collection, modest compared to other coin collections. Peep that Seahawks coin right there, though. And then the keys to success. The first guy who ever hired me when I retired from the Navy, these were his keys to success, and I kind of just kept them as my own as well. So if you're in a leadership role and you're managing people, you always want to establish your value, number one. Number two, never say no to increased roles and responsibilities, and don't ask for extra pay unless they offer it. Always work harder than your boss unless they tell you to go home early. And then make it hard for the organization to let you go. So become irreplaceable. And I will keep this with me forever. Oh, almost forgot. If you are interested in joining the military, the Navy, or any branch, enlisted or officer, you can always DM me on my Instagram or leave me a message here, and I'll be happy to give you advice or steer you the right way into the right branch or into the right rate or job when you select your branch. If you are interested in pursuing radiography, becoming a professional X-ray tech, I can help steer you the right way there also, into any of its modalities, the programs, the colleges, and how long it takes, and the prerequisites. So I was a radiography educator for a long time as well, and happy to help you out with that. Very lucrative field. I'm very connected, so I can help you network also. Also, if you are interested in pursuing higher level degrees, your bachelor, your master, eventually your doctorate, and you're a veteran, I can help you with advice and guidance on how to do things the right way and be paid the right way. And last, if you are interested in radiology leadership or working in big hospital systems, and you're a tech or you're interested in getting into a system, yeah, reach out. My Instagram handle is on the description, and just always happy to give back. So yeah, I almost forgot to detail that. All right, final thought. I didn't have a microphone, so I hope the volume was good on this video. I'll be posting it here soon, but I don't represent any organization or any brand, or I'm not being paid. There's no stake in it for me at all with anything. just always love giving back, and always love being a leader. So that's the purpose of my last couple blurbs here on this video. So yeah, not being paid, no stake in anything. Yeah,